Hi guys, this is the Affiliate Hustler back again with a new video, and in today's video I want to show you how you can make money by doing user testing on the internet. Now this is a method that many of you guys have been asking me on Instagram how to do, and that's how to make money online with $0 to start. And I know that's difficult and it can be somewhat overwhelming to research online, because there aren't to make money you need money to invest. That's the way it works online and offline. Yes, so before we jump into the video, if you want more make money online ideas, more affiliate marketing ideas, and ways to succeed online, please hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so that you get notified when I upload a new video. And obviously remember to comment and like on this video. Yes, so let's get into the video, and remember to stay until the end because I'm going to show you my favorite way. Let's get into the video now. The first way I want to show you to make money by watching videos is called point prices. Now I've featured point prices many times on this channel. And why do I promote point prices in this channel? Because I think it's one of the most accurate ways to start. In this case, point prices point prices mainly works by you doing service, but they have an option. If you go to the dashboard and you go to the video ads option, if they accept in your country this type of TV, then you will be given points by watching TV, which you can redeem for gift cards. Yes, so if I click on this tab, you see that, sorry, this offer is not available in your country. So I don't know in what countries this TV is accepted, but if you just go to the link in the description, sign up to point prices and try this out, maybe you have the luck that this works on your country. Now another way you can do, if you don't want to watch videos, or if you are open to a new possibility of making points with point prices, is by the way I'm generating points, and that is by using free traffic. Now how do we earn points with free traffic? By referring people to this platform. So that's why you will need to bring traffic to your referral link, because that will make you points for this website, which then you will be able to redeem for gift cards. So let me show you the prices you can earn on point prices. This is the one I've earned with point prices, $20. It's 30,000 points. I'm not that far from getting another one. You have PlayStation gift cards, Steam gift cards. They can pay you on Bitcoins, Google Play. I don't know what that is. Minecraft, Nintendo eShop, Clash Royale. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is either. PlayStation, Netflix, RuneScape. They have all sorts of gift cards you can imagine. So you could take this as an advantage and start earning points for redeeming your gift card of your liking. Obviously, the most important gift cards is PayPal, that they will pay you physical money. Yes. So that is point prices. There's a lot of way but if you don't want to refer people to the website, to the platform, then the other way to make points is by just doing surveys, which it's very tedious, because a survey can give you 80 points, but their survey may last 30 minutes, which if you do the math, you are trading time for money, which we don't like. Or at the start you will have to do because you don't have money. So in the next one that I want to show you now, it's more of user testing by watching videos. Now this is more the topic of the video. The point prices option was like more an honorable mention to tell you, but you sort of feel what it does. They give you a program, like a application for your computer, where you will have to log in, create create an account, and they will start giving you videos, websites, and apps for you to test. For each test, as you can see, they can start paying you from $10 to $20 per test, which lasts 10 to 20 minutes. So you can get up to $90 per test that lasts 10 to 20 minutes. So you will be given videos of websites and also apps to test. For example, here you can see some of the tests they will start giving you, and you will be paid for that. You can do this from your phone, so that's an advantage for you. You can do this from your tablet, from your laptop, and with this way you don't need money to make money, because you are trading your time for money. Yes. So the thing with Userfield is that they are very known in the market, and they just are like a website where they hire big enterprises like TripAdvisor, I saw, Emirates, Rakuten, Office Depot, and they ask for them, for also Tesco and Target, and they ask for apps that they have done for you to test. Yes, that's a very easy task for you, and yeah, it's trading time for money, as I said in the past. So another user testing website is called usertesting.com. Now, I have tried this myself before. I haven't tried Userfield in the past before, but I have tried indeed usertesting.com. And the only thing I have to say that usertesting.com is that it's very easy to be accepted. You have to get applied. It's not like you have to. It's not like you enter your details and then you get accepted just like that. You'll have to go through an application, but comparing to other pages applications, user testing's application for getting paid to test is one of the easiest. So they will also give you a program, an application where you will have to visit websites or apps, and as you can see, you can earn up to $60 per test. You can complete a set. Then you have to complete a set of tasks, speaking what you thought about the app and what they should have, what they should improve about the app, and then the user testing pays you. Yes. So also user testing, the user test works for every 20 minutes, or from 10 to 20 minutes. So you are not trading that much time, which is a plus. But you're watching videos, like you're not doing nothing. But obviously you will have to pay attention to what they are showing you, because then you'll have to give them feedback, not only to the user testing platform, but most importantly to the people that are paying, to the businesses that are paying this user testing to show you, for you to give them feedback. Yes, so that is what you are doing. You're giving feedback to these enterprises like New York Times, Lifehacker, the Wall Street Journal, the Huffington Post, about their websites. Yes, so as you can see, what you need to get started: a PC, ability to download their testing software. Oh, sorry. You must be under 18 years old. Sorry, 16-year-olds that watch my videos. You will have to have the ability, obviously, to speak aloud in English, because you are going to speak, obviously, the feedback. You are not going to write the feedback. After you watch the video, you saw the website, then you will have to record your voice and record your feedback. Yes. So this is for all of you that my fellow Indians followers. We are here. They say the following countries that they are accepting. They accept people from Africa, Middle East, India, Asia, Europe, Latin America, United States, and Canada. So this works worldwide. So you can start doing this literally now. Yes, and the best thing is that you can do this on your mobile phone, on your tablet, on your laptop. And obviously I'm not trying to make it that easy, because you will first have to get applied. So if you for example, put your email address here and then you get accepted, don't feel bad for not getting accepted. Just create another email and try again until you get accepted. Because what I'll do is, once I get accepted to user testing, I will hustle on this one and gather a lot of money. So then when I have made a lot of money with this platform, I will start a business like affiliate marketing or drop shipping or some other business model which requires you more capital to start, like forex investing. So these ways of watching videos by getting paid by watching videos is a great way to build capital for your next businesses online, which require capital to start. Yes, so don't see this as a full-time job. Moreover, see it like websites for building capital for your next businesses online. Yes, so that's how I would see these platforms and these websites that will be paying you for watching videos. Yes, so I think I've covered all. So if you like this video, please like, comment, let me know your questions on the comment section below. And yeah, watch all of my videos if you haven't watched them. I have a lot of videos on how to get traffic, make money online ideas. And yeah, I'm going to see you in the next video.